Hi there, Jason from Kern AI, and I'm here to introduce an exciting new feature Kern AI has just dropped, which is all about making AI automation possible for daily tasks in your business. Let's dive into things. We recently launched a groundbreaking feature named Macro, which enables LLM-powered automation by incorporating business logic into the way your AI application works. So let's dive into a quick product demo where I'll demonstrate Macro in action with an exciting use case as extracting financial data from complex unstructured financial reports. Macro allows you to design a multi-query workflow tailored to reflect specific company processes. This macro is fully readable and actionable by large language models, enabling them to perform company-specific task automation running in the background with minimal human intervention. Say, for instance, I need to extract consistent financial data points from various reports. I can simply configure the macro workflow on Kern AI's secure platform. Once it's been created once, I can reuse it, and I can just hit the run button. This macro is then running on the data I have uploaded and selected, and all the data points are then automatically retrieved from the various reports. Even if the layout is different, the figure we need is on a different page, the figure is maybe labeled slightly different across reports, the large language model can interpret what we need and find the data points for us at a much higher accuracy rate than maybe a human could. The extracted data points are then immediately available and can be downloaded for further analysis and continuation of the task across teams. So, if you're excited, discover more about Macro and explore other exciting use cases we have in mind for it at our website, kern.ai.